I get asked about trends in the field of law, in the field of trademarks all the time, and most people want to talk about artificial intelligence and is it going to eliminate lawyers or completely change the way that law is practiced? And I really do not believe that it will. It will, of course, have an impact, but it is not going to replace what lawyers do in terms of providing great advice based on experience and specific circumstances. The way that AI will affect trademark practice is that the amount of data that's out there related to brands and trademarks and use in commerce is tremendous, and it's growing every day, of course. And artificial intelligence tools will help us make better sense out of that data, make better databases and better search engines to maximize the benefits of understanding that data. And so it may change the way we analyze whether two marks are confusingly similar or whether a mark is likely to be approved for registration, but it's not going to change the process of analyzing it, and it's not going to change the need for an experienced counselor to help guide you through that process. Some other trends that I see coming in the field of trademark law are a continued growth in the number of applications and registrations, particularly if the costs don't go up too high, because there is talk of raising USPTO filing fees, but probably even if the costs do go up, the number of applications and the number of registrations will continue to grow because the number of new businesses in the US will continue to grow and the importance of brands and trademarks will continue to grow. This is because brands are more and more in front of us and around us in more and more ways every single day. Think about watching something on TV or on your device. Think about when you drive down the highway or when you go to a concert or a sporting event. The amount of advertising and billboards and things trying to attract your eyeballs or your ears or your other senses and tell you about their products and services is mind-boggling. We are impacted by thousands of trademarks every single day, each of us, in terms of the making impressions on us. And so this trend is not going to slow down and the number of registrations will continue to grow. As a result, getting registration may become even more difficult or certainly may change. And so that is another related trend. I think we will also probably see the online services that have become popular in the last 5 years or so. Maybe some of them will die off because I think that we've sort of hit the bottom in terms of efficiency and costs for these services, and they cannot all be sustained. And I think that more and more businesses will recognize the value of paying more to get more service. So that's what I see in the world of trademarks in the next few years.